Alright, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will explain each and every step about Grass community node. So if you are struggling how to install Grass community node and whether this community node is profitable or not, we will discuss each and everything in this video. So before continuing, I just want to remind you guys that if you have not completed this verify email address step and verify wallet address, so if you not added this wallet address into the Grass dashboard, so please add that, because most of the tokens that are coming for the claim to the users, if that happens, will be to your Solana wallet address. So you should add that, because you might end up losing all the points because if you have not added your Solana wallet address. So let's continue on this thing. What you have to do is, so if you install a Grass extension, then you will get 1x points only, and if you have Grass community node, then you will have 25% extra points. So if you think these 25% extra point is worth for you, so just install it. If not, then please stick to the Grass extension only, because I don't know about the security, what they will be doing if you install this thing. So but still, let's continue how to do that. Let's discuss this thing. So just click on the download. So once you click on the download, you have to choose what is your platform, so like which machine you are using. So if you are on Linux, choose Linux. Windows, if you are in Windows. So I'm using Mac OS, I will select Mac, and then I will click on download. So once I click the download, it will give me a very simple zip file. Into the zip file, if I click on zip file, I will get these two files. So this is CRX file, this is specific for the Chrome, and this is grass.mobile config. So this is the kind of profile for the Mac ecosystem. What you have to do next is, let's go to the documentation, what they have written. So once you download it, click on the how to install. So how to install it? Download Grass community node. Yes, we have downloaded that. Second, install configuration profile, one-time setup. Install Grass community node extension for your browser. All right. Verify extension installation. So downloading and extracting. So we have completed this step. We have downloaded it and we have opened, and now we have two files. And second step, install the configuration file, one-time setup. Click on the Apple menu over and select the system settings, and then go to this. So we have to choose settings, then privacy and settings, and then profile, and then we have to click on the plus icon. So once we click on the plus icon, and we have to select our Grass file, and then all the installation steps. So let's do it. So let me go to the plus and then system settings. So this is my system settings, and I have to go scroll down privacy and security, and I have to go to the bottom and then profiles. Once we select the profile, there is an option for the plus. Once we click on the plus, so then we have to choose and select the folder. So now we have two files, CRX file and then mobile config file. We have to select this. So this is a profile, and we have to open it. Once we open, it will ask about to install it. All right, let me install it. So once I have installed, so there is another pop-up, installing profile, and done. So our profile is now set up properly, and let's close it. And then confirmation. So once this is done, you may also verify that configuration profile for Grass community has been installed by the verifying through your browser's policy setting. So what you have to do to check it? So for Chrome browser users, we have to copy this. Let's copy it and let's enter into the browser. And now we can see into the Chrome policies, there is no policy here. What we have to do, we have to click on the reload policies. Once we click, we can see extension install allow list. So this is now installed properly. And what they have mentioned at the bottom, if we can see this kind of structure as already we have received, that means our policy has been installed and our installation is done. What we have to do, close and reopen your browser to ensure the changes take effect. So we have to just reload it and see everything is working. Next is step 3, install Grass community node extension CRX file, which is second file. So we are completed all the operations of the first file, which is mobile config, and second file is CRX file. What we have to do, we have to go to the extension. So we can go through this way only, click to copy, and we are using Chrome. So now this extensions, all the extensions are listed here. What we have to do next is ensure that developer mode is turned on. How to turn on? So as you can see at the right side, developer mode is on. So this is off, this is on. So it should be on. And next, add extension. So locate the grass.crx file you downloaded earlier, drag and drop the crx file to the setting window, and confirm the addition by clicking the add extension prompt. So what we have to do is we have to go to the extensions again, we have to go to the file, and this is crx file, and we have to drag it and paste here. So once we paste, it will show add Grass community node extension, read and change all the data on all the website. So let's add. So once we add, we can see Grass community node has been added to the Chrome, and we have two extensions. So this is one, and let's go to the second one, which is Grass community node. So this is Grass community node. So what is next? Let's go and read. All right, let me log in once again. It is asking me to authenticate, and go to again store and download, then how to install, and see what's happening there. If I go down, you are all set. Open Grass community node extension. Once installed, click on the puzzle piece, find the Grass community node extension in the list of extension, click on the pin icon, log in the account. If you're already logged in, refresh the page to ensure session is active before opening the Grass node extension. So that's all. What we have to do is we have to download two files. One file is for the privacy and security thing, and second file is as an extension. So we have to drag that to this, and then we have to log in with the new account, and that's all. So that's all about how to basically install the node community node of the Grass. So if you have any question, any doubt, you can write it down into the comment section. I will be replying over there as much as I can try. So that's all about the Grass community node, and see you into the another video soon. Thank you.